Hi, my name's Sham and I am here with the Waterside Holiday Group at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park today. Now we have been waiting for this holiday home for a long time, so I cannot wait to show you the master bedroom in this one in particular. But come and look at this ABI Beverley 39 foot by 12. As you walk in, one of my favorite features on this is this hallway. You've got space to hang up your coats, put your shoes in this little storage unit, but the fact that you are not coming straight into the dining area or the front room is a really key feature. And normally you get this in a 13 foot or a 14 foot wide. As you now come into the dining area, this modern kitchen with a dishwasher, built-in microwave and integrated fridge freezer, you can see how modern this is, yet very classy. And you've also got the door behind you that shuts off the back end to the front. Now into the front room, you have got perfect sliding doors. You can have them open 6 inches or you can have them open to the full width of the whole door. You've also got an electric fireplace as well as 2 fully freestanding sofas, one of which is a pull-out sofa bed. One of the key features of this new ABI range that we are finding is this nice wallpaper that they are using and these really modern upright radiators. And now as you come into the back end, the first door you see to your left is that second bedroom. You have 2 single beds you can push together and a full-size wardrobe. And then right at the back of the holiday home, you have your full-size shower, toilet and wash hand basin. And saving the best till last, you have got this full-size king bed that lifts up with underbed storage, a TV point on the wall, so with a fixed bracket we can install a television for you. And look at this space you have here with wardrobes and a vanity area. Now, saving my favorite bit to last, check out what's in this. You have a full-size bathtub with overhead shower, your toilet and your wash hand basin. You do not get a full-size bathtub in many 12-foot wides at all. So this is why this holiday home is so special. This is on our showground here at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park. So if you would like to come and view the park and view this holiday home, give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.